All right, guys, we're going to talk about geoduck, the good time clam. Pretty interesting looking thing. The geoduck is the largest burrowing clam native to the Pacific Northwest. We call it the good time clam because of its phallic appearance. This little guy here is actually probably around 7 years old. They take quite a bit of time to grow. You can buy fresh geoduck at taylorshellfishfarms.com. I'm actually going to just get right to it and show you guys how to prepare one of these. The geoduck has two abductor muscles, so one on here and one on here. You need to use a butter knife and be very careful because the edges of these things are very sharp. And keep your knife running along the shell. And now I always like to take this shell and hold on to it. So right here what you want to do is get a little bit messy and you're going to remove this gut from here. Take your fingers and just pinch it, take it right out. And you're going to see a lot of sand and algae there. You want to rinse that out right away. All right, so you have two parts, the neck and the body. You're going to take this and you're going to put it into boiling hot water for 10 seconds, no longer, and directly into ice water. Here's the fun part. So you remove the skin just like you would remove a sock, just like that, and there you have it. Clean geoduck. Anyhow, all right. We're going to split the siphon down the middle. Take a nice sharp knife and just do a small incision, just enough to get in there for the first siphon. And then I run my finger down just to open that up. Then I go to the next part, cut that, I run my finger down. So as you can see, there's a little bit of sand and algae left in there. So I'll just take that into my ice water again, just give it a quick rinse off. What you want to do is you want to cut this very thin, just like that. All right, I'm going to show you folks how to do two of my favorite preparations of geoduck. Just need 1 spoon. First one, a ceviche. So I've taken about half of the portion of the geoduck there and I've squeezed 3 limes in there. Some pico de gallo that I've made ahead of time, which is just tomatoes, salsa, cilantro, and a bit of onion. So I saved the shell. A lot of people do this. It's really nice for plating. That's good to go. All right, so another way I like to plate this is with a little bit of teriyaki, some wasabi mayo, and then some cucumbers. So what I do is just take a bit of this teriyaki that I made myself, just give it a little drizzle on the plate, and we're just gonna line these up real nice. You wanna do your body meat and your neck meat, just so that the people that you're feeding know what they're having. Wasabi mayo, just drip it wherever you want. And then I'm just gonna finish that off with some nice radish microgreens for a nice peppery finish. Okay guys, there you have it. 2 quick, easy ways to prepare geoduck. I'll see you next time.